Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Android system notifications. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to this, go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down and then select notifications. Click on advanced settings. Scroll down until you get to manage notifications category for each apps. So go ahead and turn this off. Hit the back button again. Go ahead and click on app notifications. Click on the three dots at top right and then select show system apps. This is going to show all your phone system apps. Now go ahead and select the system apps whose notification you want to turn off on the lock screen or home screen. Then by default you see allow notification grayed out. So go ahead and turn off sounds and vibration and then uncheck lock screen and badges. Hit the back button. Repeat the same thing on all other system applications whose notification you want to disable. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn off system notifications on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.